If you're looking for a high-end controller for your Xbox Series or PC, the Razer Wolverine V2 might be an option worth considering. With its sleek design, ultra-responsive mechanical buttons, and adjustable triggers, it promises an optimal gaming experience, but at a price that exceeds that of an official wireless Xbox controller. So, is the investment worth it? Let's find out together. At first glance, the Razer Wolverine V2 shows its ambition to offer a more high-performing alternative to the classic Microsoft controllers. Its design immediately recalls the ergonomics of Xbox controllers, with an asymmetrical arrangement of the joysticks and the traditional colored Zyba buttons. But Razer puts its own spin on it, with wing-shaped grips that are hollowed out, covered in a textured, slightly rubbery coating for a better hold. This full grip stands out from standard models and is reminiscent of the finish of an Xbox Elite Series 2. Another detail is the presence of the Israel V1, a nod to Razer's identity and the Xbox universe. The whole thing is well balanced, weighing in at 272 grams, which is similar to that of an official controller with a battery, but much lighter than an Xbox Elite Series 2. A bit disappointing, though, is that the 3-meter cable is non-detachable, which can be a downside for those who prefer the freedom of going wireless. What really sets the Razer Wolverine V2 apart is its use of buttons. Tactile, a choice inspired by the brand's mechanical keyboards. These Zyba and directional cross buttons offer a reduced travel of 0.65 mm, guaranteeing increased responsiveness. In use, this translates into crisp, precise clicks with quick feedback under the fingers. The advantage is notable in games that require ultra-fast inputs, such as FPS or fighting games. Another advantage is the adaptive triggers. Thanks to 2 switches located at the back, it is possible to adjust their course according to the type of game. In the long position, they offer a more progressive feel, ideal for racing games, and in the short position, they become more responsive, a plus for competitive shooters. On the downside, they do lack some resistance and have a bit too soft feedback compared to the official Xbox model. On the customization side, Razer adds 2 additional buttons, M1 and M2, on the upper edges of the controller. They're fully reconfigurable through the Razer controller setup for Xbox app, although getting used to their placement takes some time. Right from the first sessions, the Razer Wolverine V2 impresses with its precision. Its well-thought-out ergonomics ensure impeccable stability, even during long gaming sessions. The wide joysticks, slightly larger than those on a standard Xbox controller, allow for more precise control with well-calibrated resistance. The lack of drift, even after several hours of gaming, is definitely a plus. The directional cross, although very responsive thanks to the mechanical contact, divides opinions. Its classic cross design makes it good for 2D games and simple movements, but its smooth coating can make it difficult to execute quarter circles in fighting games. Also, the lack of vibrations on the triggers takes away some of the feel in racing or action games. Despite these minor weaknesses, the integrated sound management via the D-pad is a welcome addition. You can adjust the game and voice chat volume directly from the controller. Since then, the controller is great for players who use a wired headset via the jack. Built-in 3.5 mm. Compared to the Xbox Elite Series 2, the Razer Wolverine V2 offers an interesting alternative, especially for those looking for maximum responsiveness. Its mechanical buttons and adjustable triggers give it a competitive edge, but it can't match the Elite's extensive customization options. Series 2, such as interchangeable sticks or rear paddles. Moreover, the lack of wireless connectivity is a real drawback for those who value freedom of movement. Compared to a classic Xbox controller, it offers superior comfort and responsiveness with more precise buttons and configurable triggers. However, its high price and fixed cable put it in a niche category aimed at demanding players who prioritize performance above all else. The Razer Wolverine V2 ticks a lot of boxes for a premium wired controller. Improved ergonomics, ultra-responsive mechanical buttons, customizable triggers, and Xbox PC compatibility without any adjustment. Its lack of 100 threads and its high price, however, remain major drawbacks which make it difficult to recommend to the general public. If you're looking for a controller built for competition, where every millisecond counts and you don't mind being wired, then the Wolverine V2 is an excellent choice. But if you're looking for more freedom and modularity, the Xbox Elite Series 2, or alternatives like the Thrustmaster or SwapX might be better options. The link is in the description if you want to know more. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, as usual, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.